What if I told you that Iron Man suit is not just a science fiction but a blueprint of future technology? From flying like a jet to think with artificial intelligence. Tony Stark does not just build a suit, he builds the future. The origin of Iron Man suit. Iron Man journey begins with Tony Stark, a genius engineer and billionaire. The first Iron Man suit was built inside a cave using limited tools and scraps. This tells us one powerful thing. Innovation is not about resources, it's about intelligence and creativity. The early suit known as Mark I was bulky, heavy and slow, but it proved that a human could become a living weapon through technology. Evaluation of Iron Man suit. As Tony Stark grows, so does his technology. Mark II and III, silker design, better fight control. Mark V, portable suitcase suit. Mark VII, fully automated files to Tony. Nanotech suit Mark L and LXSV, built with nanotechnology. Each suit represents human progress, just like how smartphones evolved from old mobile phones. This thing gives us a huge lesson that technology evolves when humans refuse to stop improving. Design of the Iron Man suit. The Iron Man suit is designed for maximum efficiency and protection. Material made from gold titanium alloy. Strength, lightweight, heat resistance. Helmet design. Heads up display, threat detection, target locking, night vision and heat vision. Body structure. Perfect weight balance, shock observation, human-like movement. The suit does not control Tony. It amplifies his abilities. Arc reactor. The heart of the suit. The arc reactor is the real power source. It generates clean, unlimited energy and power the suit and keeps Tony alive. Symbol of clean energy future. It represents how science can save lives, not just destroy them. Number 5 is the artificial intelligence. Jarvis and Friday. Iron Man suit is nothing without AI. Jarvis analyzes situations in real time, suggest battle strategies, manage fight, weapon and system. This AI is similar to today's voice assistant, smart system, military defense. Iron Man predicted the rise of AI-powered humans. Number 6 element is weapons and defense system. Iron Man suits includes repulsor beams, micro missiles, lasers, energy shields, but Tony Stark learns an important truth. Power without responsibility leads to destructions. That's why later suits focus more on defense and protection, not just attack. The number 7 is nanotechnology, the ultimate upgrade. The nano suit can form weapons immediately, repair itself, change shape during battle. This is real science in development today, used in medicine, space, research, military tech. Iron Man shows us a future where machine become part of the human body. The 8 number point is Iron Man suit fiction versus reality. Can we build Iron Man suit today? Jet powered exists, AI helmet exists, smart armor exists, but full fight control and nano suit still in progress. But one thing is certain, Iron Man inspired real scientists and engineers worldwide. Number 9 hidden message of Iron Man. Iron Man is not about metal and weapons. It's about intelligence, responsibility, innovations, sacrifice. Tony Stark proves that a true hero is not born, he is built by choices. Iron Man suits reminds us that the greatest power is not technology, it's the human mind behind it. If a man in a cave can change the world, imagine what you can do with knowledge and belief. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, share, because knowledge is the real superpower. Thanks for watching.